If you are an event organizer, this tutorial will teach you how to evaluate the progress of your events using the updated Organizer's dashboard on the ComeTogether app. First, log in to ComeTogether from any browser and click on the dashboard button in the left-hand menu. Here, you will see a list of all your events. Select one or multiple events if you wish to compare them. For this example, we'll use two demo events with simplified numbers. Next, set the time period for which the information of the selected events will be shown. This will also be the horizontal axis of the chart. Let's set it for April 1st to 10th. Here, you choose the interval between the points on the time axis you defined earlier. It can be day, week, or even month for longer time periods, and the chart will adjust accordingly. By clicking the CSV button, you can download a file containing the order details for the selected events within the specified time period. The file will include columns for order number, status, date, event name, order amount, buyer's email, and ticket details, quantity and type. This row displays all the important information about the chosen events within the set time period, including gross revenue from total tickets sold, net income, gross revenue minus taxes and deductions, payment provider fees, the net number of tickets issued, excluding returns and cancellations, and total orders placed. Moving to the chart, we already know that the horizontal axis represents the chosen time period. For the vertical axis, you have three options: revenue, ticket, or orders. First, select the revenue tab. In our example, we can see some revenue displayed on April 6th. Hovering over the chart reveals the specific amount and the events it was generated from. Next, choose the Tickets tab. By hovering over the chart, you can view the number and type of tickets issued for each event on specific dates. Lastly, select the Orders tab, and by hovering over the chart, the total number of orders for each event on specific dates will be displayed. To simplify the chart, you can hide or show the curve for an event by clicking on its title at the top of the diagram. Lastly, beneath the chart, you'll find four additional windows displaying the average number of tickets purchased per order, the average revenue per order, the number of refunds processed, and the total number of attendees.